Welcome to today's podcast. In today's podcast, I'm going to tell you how I started my journey on YouTube. My journey on YouTube as a content creator is a big lesson to me. I guess for anyone who is starting a YouTube channel today, this is what you consider first. What are you to offer to the public? What problems are you solving? What are you here on the internet for? And what are the ways you can help other people in life? These are the big questions you have to ask yourself. After you figure out this, the next thing you do is to start creating a YouTube channel or any other handle which you want to start with. Starting a YouTube channel is very easy, and the truth is this: it is very lucrative. It pays you very well. Every single dime you spend creating video, you get it back with time if you are serious about what you are doing. I'm trying to be honest with you in this video with my experience over the years. When I started, I have no experience, but as times goes, I was learning from so many people. I was spending data, watching from so many people. So many people were teaching me how to go about this. I keep on trying. Thanks be to Barinua Winyoro, the CEO of B-Tradex. He is my boss. Regard to you, boss. So as I continue, the journey is somehow frustrating, but I just have to keep going, trying my best to figure out the best way to earn on YouTube. The problem I'm solving here on YouTube is I'm promoting the culture of my people, the culture, the tradition, the way of life of my people to the world at large. I'm also using this platform to preach the gospel to the world at large. I'm also using this platform to teach people how to make money online from $0 to a $1,000 at least a month. So which one are you in for? Is it for the organic culture and tradition, or for the Christian content, or for the financial advice and how to make money online? I have been here for the past 2 years on YouTube with over 3.6 thousand subscribers on YouTube. This is the evidence of hard work, dedication, and consistency. There's no shortcut in life. For you to be successful in life, you have to be dedicated to whatsoever you are doing. You have to be committed to whatsoever you are doing. You have to give time to it. See it as part of you. You don't have any excuse to give. You have to budget for this because it is a journey. So if you budget for any other things in your life, you also have to budget for your business and for your future to come, because this is a very lucrative business. As I've earlier said, this can pay your bills, your monthly bills and your daily bills, even more than your monthly job. So why not start a channel today? If you are to start a channel today, which one will you start? Is it educational content or a travel content? Or is it culture and tradition? All this content, all these niches has their own advantage and disadvantage. If you are to do a travel content, first of all, you need to have a phone because it's somehow expensive to do a travel content. Travel content involves so many logistics, which include your transport fee, your transport fare if you don't have a car, and even if you have a car, you have to pay it. So you have to move from one location to the other. Some of these locations that you visit, you have to pay what we call machine grant for you to shoot a video. I remember back then I went to High Prep head office to shoot a video in Ogoni, my own place. I was harassed by those army there that I should pay them for coming because I have not really shot a video. I just went there to check what is going on, and they asked me who I am. I told them I'm a creator from Ogoni, so I came to check what is going on so that I can update the people on what is going on in the High Prep headquarters there at Uyaka. So all these things are something you need to put in place, your transport, your logistic, and some other things, because it involves money if you are going into travel content. Then if you are going into culture and tourism, it also involves a lot of capital too, because all these things are not just for free. If not for anything, you have to buy data, you have to subscribe your phone, so as for you to upload your video, you have to look for an editor if you are not one, if you cannot edit a video. All these things are what you pay for. It involves money. So being a creator is not as easy as you may think, or I'm not giving you the assurance that once you start today uploading one or two videos that we are going to make thousands of dollars. It's not like this. It takes time. For some people it takes about 3 months, for some people it takes about 4 months, and for some people it takes years for them to be able to monetize their content. In my own case, it was not like that, because it took me only 6 months to meet up the YouTube requirement. It was the work of God, dedication, and hard work. So what I'm telling you today is a brief story on how I started my channel and how Ogoni Marketplace come to be in existence. So in the next video, I'm going to discuss with you why I stopped posting Ogoni content on my channel, so you can as well share your thoughts with me. Either should I continue posting Ogoni content on my channel or not. I'm going to give you some of the reasons why I stopped posting the Ogoni content on my channel. Thank you for your time. I really appreciate the time you spend on my channel. My name is Peter Mwenganali.